Hey guys, I got this Samsung A35 5G phone for myself, and I'm just going to do some of this research thing. This is just an unboxing video for now. And then you can see it have a little different style of boxing in here. Like the phone is at the bottom side and the manual is on the top. So the packing is very normal packing, and but the thing is, this time the look of the mobile is really good. As you can see it here, it's almost have a glass finish in the back. The sides and all looks like almost like an iPhone type of feel with a three button in the back. And this also have this, the charging port as a USB-C. So the other cable, so it comes with this uh, same ejector thing and also a USB-C to USB-C cable. So you can use this USB-C to USB-C. It also say that you can actually have another adapter to charge the mobile, which is not supplied in the box, just the cable. And you can easily charge with this USB-C. It also have a SIM tray on the top where you can actually put a micro SD card and also one SIM. So the micro SD card you can extend up to, to extend your uh, storage. So that's a good thing because this is not in the iPhone. And yep, it's start charging and the thing. So I have to charge it fully for to see and how this thing work. But this is the awesome navy color they say is a little like a midnight color thing and looks really nice as well in the hand.